Good evening everyone, my name is Muksa Andrew. This is a video demonstrating the termination of both crossover and straight through Ethernet cables. So there I was trimming my Ethernet cable so that I clip. I use my clipping tool to get well the wires that I need. Yeah, there I was using the clipping tool as you see me. I had to clip very well those wires so that I put in my RJ45. Had to clip very well. I read very well. So I had to enter them in my RJ45 and I had to test using my cable tester. So I had to put my one side in the RJ in the cable tester and the other side in the cable tester. As you see there, it's a straight